Hey friends, today we're making creamy garlic mushrooms to upgrade your mashed potatoes. It's cozy, simple, and turns an everyday side into something special. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need cremini mushrooms, white onion, garlic, olive oil, coconut milk, dried thyme, salt, black pepper, and prepared mashed potatoes. Heat olive oil in the pan, then add mushrooms, onion, and garlic. Let them cook together as the kitchen starts to smell amazing. Sprinkle in the thyme, salt, and pepper, and let the mushrooms continue cooking as they soften and develop rich flavor. Pour in the coconut milk and give it a stir. Let it simmer for a few minutes while the flavors come together and the sauce turns rich and creamy. Now it's time to dress our potatoes. Spoon those creamy garlic mushrooms generously right over the top. Creamy, savory, and so comforting. This mushroom skillet is the perfect way to upgrade your mashed potatoes. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.